So this new YouTube video, so you can check out what's our YouTube video.
Shah and Ali.
Shah and Ali. So check out our video, right? We'll give more follow, okay, more information later. So right here is our first video that we made, right? So this is our first video that I have made for 3 or 4 days, right? Thinking what to do, right? So I done
Today's video is about paper gun.
I done a paper gun, right? Let me show you guys,
These are the bullets.
right? This is not a paper gun. It's more than a paper gun, right? It's a rubber band paper gun. Rubber band pistol paper gun. Well, that's what I'm gonna call. Right. So this is what I'm gonna use for holding my bullets. Right. You see, it's all rubber bands. Yeah, it's kind of lot. Right. So this is my gun. Right. L shape, A shape, 7 shape,
Oh shit.
V shape, N shape. Also we have got A shape. Right. So this is how I made. Alright. Actually, this for the holding part is long. So just now I just cut it half. Alright. It's point wasting a lot of tape. Right. So that time I was thinking about doing a catapult, but I failed. Right. This tree. Alright, can you hear it? I put pencil, right, to hold it, right, to support it, right, so it's be hard. You see the front part, right, it's all being taped, and here there is not tape, alright. Right, so I just finished this by today, alright, in the afternoon.
To use it now.
So this thing I will show you how to use it later. Right, just I'm gonna use one rubber band. Right. Oh, this. Right. This is how we use it. Alright.
That's how you put it.
Alright. So actually I got binocular. My brother can throw it. Alright. So this
You put stuff in
is
front
where
of
you reload it. Alright. Okay. Well, you kind of thinking small can't make it to this long, right? It's actually can, and I'm gonna do it. Alright, you see, I'm gonna reload until the tape. Okay, you see the tape is moving back. Okay, this way.
And now he's going to air the John Cena there.
Alright, you see the back part is only like that.
John
Right, so
Cena.
I'm
The green one.
gonna
so
aim
you're
my
watching.
poster.
Ready?
Okay. Right, so when you want to shoot it, when I want to shoot, like sometimes hold my left hand and bring up. Okay, but I found easy way. Okay, is that just bring up my hand, right, and just
This.
push this thing,
Yeah.
push
Up,
the rubber band
and then pull.
up.
Okay, so
Wait,
go.
Right, so
Yes.
it's quite fast and you can't see where it lands. Alright, I have faced a lot of rubber band today. Alright, so I've been shooting it up, right, this afternoon. Alright, shooting at Paper House, right, that afternoon. Alright, so this gun you can make it. Alright, let me show you guys how you can make it. Alright, just take about 5 papers. Alright, just make it any shape you want. Alright, small shape, medium shape, big shape. Alright, and for this part, for the shooting part, alright, if you are kind of good of making, alright, you can just make an electric one, but don't bring outside. People gonna call the police. Okay, alright, better don't make the electric one, just make the shooting one that I make. Alright, I use 3 of it. Alright, 3 for shooting. Alright, but not 3 can. Only the top part. Alright, and 2 for the holding part. Alright, if you guys subscribe for VET19, alright, they also have a video of rubber band pistol. So I got an idea from the video and try to make it, and I get it. Alright, so get 19, lot of things. You can get idea from there, and you can make it. Alright. So this is our first video. Please watch, subscribe, like, comment. Alright, don't comment back.
Bye.
Alright. So peace out.
Bye, bro.